Hi again everyone. JaLingo's proverb of the week is Wanti wanti yarn getty and getty getty no wanti. This means who wants it cannot get it and who gets it doesn't want it. Other meanings: there are people out there who desperately want something and can't attain it, while there are others who have these things easily received and they don't appreciate what they have or they don't want it. Count your blessings and do not take what you have for granted. Others may just be hoping they had what you have. Be thankful for what you have, because there are always people out there who would kill for what you have. The have-nots covet what the haves take for granted. The grass isn't necessarily greener on the other side. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.